How to log into Q Mastercard. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into Q Mastercard. Login in Q Mastercard is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer, visit Q Mastercard, type Q Mastercard, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Click on the first link, it will take you to the login page. Enter your credential. On the login page, you will typically see fields to enter your customer ID and your password. Input the customer ID associated with your Q Mastercard in the designated field. Then enter the password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password, click on forgot your password. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. And here you go, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.